On September 20th, 2018, homeowners, staff, volunteers, and members of Trinity Fellowship gathered to celebrate 1 year of rebuilding homes and lives after Hurricane Harvey. Several of the homeowners shared their stories of God's work.
In this whole year, the way that things have progressed and the way that God has taken care of us is just pretty amazing.
And so I thought, what am I going to do? Where am I going to find a resource? And these wonderful people just knocked on my door and said, do you need help?
It was just one thing after another, and then setbacks with some of the cosmetic stuff we had to tear out that we just didn't want to have to do. But every step of the way, there was a team member there to help hold us, to guide us, to say, it's just the way we like it. We're going to get through this. I've learned that. It's just the way we like it. You can do anything.
But through all of the ups and downs, through everything that we've been through, in the toughest times of your life, you're not walking that path, you're being carried. And for the last year, through most of it, I was carried.
But during the time when Reach was in our house, and I would just almost lose it a few times. Guys would come up off their ladder, put their arm around me, and say, man, it's gonna be okay. I'm sorry. And stop what they're doing. People before projects.
And I mean, each week, I look forward to the teams because they were unique. They were so full of joy, and we prayed, and it was a blessing every week.
Thursdays at Trinity have become a special time to celebrate and share.
We moved into my brother's home, which was also flooded, just not flooded as badly as our house had. So he had only a couple inches and we had 5 feet. Reach helped us put my brother's house back together, and it was a tremendous blessing to just have a place to live and, bathrooms and a kitchen sort of. So.
And I didn't realize how much people mean to each and every one of us, how just a smile, a hand on a shoulder, just a pause can make a difference.
And I've said this many times, through the flood, I gained the most amazing friends with Lenny and Kat and Sarah and the groups that are here, the pastors that come by my house to check on me even though I'm not a part of this congregation.
But I found out that Harvey was an awakening for me. It restored my faith. It made me realize that when things are down, you can always come back with God.
More than 30 people who were flooded out by Harvey were part of the gathering.
But I've got to tell you, it changed my house, but deeper than that, it changed me. It's changed me for the rest of my life.
As long as I live and have a memory, I will never forget the kindness. You not only rebuilt my house, but you rebuilt me as a person.
So I'm thankful for this church, for everyone that's here, for Heavenly Father that loves me enough to send people my way to help, to rebuild.
I don't know where we would be today if it wasn't for this church that housed Reach Global, to allow them to bring teams in, to spread out, and to help families. It's awesome. I love everybody. I love y'all. And thank God for everyone who else here today.
There are many homes and lives still deeply in need more than a year after Harvey. Consider gathering a team, however small, to come and help these people experience the love of God.